two-way binding. Two-way binding automatically synchronize data between the component class and template input. When the user type, the component property update automatically and vice versa. Okay, so we have some example which we need to be understand in the VS Code. So let's start. So we'll see there our example. So I'm opening the VS Code. I already created the project, day 12 project I have created today. And inside that we having the default structure. So we'll utilize these two default pages, which we have this app.ts, which is like TypeScript, and app.html, which is the HTML template. So in app.ts, because we are working with this two-way bindings, then we require this form model because we are going to utilize ngModel there, right? So this is compulsory to be imported here. And after that, I have taken one property, name property, which is like having type string, and it is the empty. So because we are going to bind this data from the input control. So if you come to this app.html, in app.html we have this input control, which is the HTML element which we have taken. So there I'm binding with the ngModels. So if you hover your mouse, then you should be able to understand this is the ngModel.model. It's any, right? So and this is the name property which we have taken in the TypeScript. So once we will type something inside the text box, we are going to show this the name which we type with the hello Vishwa or something which you will be typing inside your text box. So we'll run this and we'll see the output first. So for running this, we need to have this ng serve. So once we will click on this ng serve, it is going to be build our application first, and it will check all the dependencies which is required for running this application. And after that, it will show you the port URL, which is we need to be copy, and then we need to be paste inside your browser to see the application. So it have given the default port which we are copying, and then we are opening the browser, and in the browser URL we are pasting this, and then we will be able to see our application. So if you see here, we got the text box and we got the hello. So what we have declared there, like we have the empty string, right? So name is the empty till now. So once you will type something like Vishwa, then you should be able to see the binding through the two-way binding. It is getting bind with this string. That's it for today. This is the example of two-way binding. So you can try this in the different way, and do much practice for this. Thank you very much for seeing this example. And next topic will be how we need to be use the ngIf. Those things we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our videos. Thank you very much.